I'm just going to offload this thing, not even bother installing an OS. But let's test it. That's not the power button. What the hell is wrong with me? Oops, forgot to clean my monitor and pause here so I could close the blinds. Come on, stupid. It's a widescreen monitor. What the hell are you expecting? Is there an OS on here? Nope. Well, hopefully not. Wow, there's an OS on here. Glad I didn't just sell it as is. Cool, so we could just reinstall Windows and have Windows on here. I was just going to sell the computer with a blank drive instead of just installing Linux Mint on it and have them install whatever they want. Oh, okay. It's a blank installation, so that's pretty good. So I'll just leave it alone. This is going away today. Somehow this got stuck between the workbench and the mower. So I have no idea how the hell that happened. Anyway, we're going to test it out. Some lady's interested in coming to get it. Just sitting in the dirty garage. Huh. Yeah, whatever. Still works, right? Wind machine. First one of these I found was a wind tunnel, and the cord was all hard and weird. This one is not as bad. Looks to be a bit out of balance. It works though. It's the important part. So that's the end of the video. That's what's going on today. Oh, I bought a horizontal output transistor. Goes right there. So maybe that'll make this thing work. We shall see.